Welcome back to Brick by Brick. Today we're going to be going through the top LEGO themes I'm going to be investing in 2025. We'll get started off with the main theme I'm investing in, which if you guys have seen my videos, you know it's generally LEGO Star Wars sets that I prefer to invest in. They tend to do well and are generally safe, reliable investments. Some of the Star Wars sets are going to do better than others, but in general it's a pretty safe, reliable theme to invest in. But we'll be going through a couple other themes that are some of the top ones I've been investing in already and that I may buy more sets of from that theme in 2025 or later. So we'll start out with Star Wars though, just because that is the primary one I invest in. We'll start out with this set right here. This is the Lego Boba Fett Starship. It's got some great minifigures in it. The Zuckuss figure is pretty rare. We also have Han Solo, and then the two bounty hunters, and the three Zuckuss too. And then you get the exclusive Princess Leia figure there, which I thought that figure would be worth the most out of the figures included on this set, but interestingly enough, it's the Zuckuss figure, which I didn't even really know him, but a little bit of an interesting fact there that has done quite well. Each of these sets, each of the 20th year anniversary ones, came with an exclusive minifigure. In this case, you get the Princess Leia figure, but in general, Star Wars is pretty great to invest in. Some of the ships that are more iconic, some of the builds, like the Boba Fett Starship, of course, is a pretty well-recognized ship that has done pretty much every version of it in LEGO form has done well as a LEGO investment, and this one I think is probably done even better just because of the exclusivity element of the 20th year anniversary, as well as the exclusive minifigure that comes with it, as well as the other lineup of minifigures that come with the set. And in general, pretty great one to invest in. There are a couple other, we'll go to a couple other Star Wars sets, and within the BrickHeadz theme, there is this one right here. This is the LEGO BrickHeadz Darth Vader and Obi-Wan Kenobi set. This set I think is about to retire or is very recently retired, and it's probably going to see that big, maybe not too big, but that increase in value, that spike, that retirement jump that generally is seen with LEGO investments when they retire. Not all of them get that, but if you pick pretty decent sets, that will generally be the case. So I'm going to be continuing to invest in LEGO Star Wars. Next up, we'll go to a theme that I also have a fair percentage of my LEGO investing collection in, and that is LEGO Harry Potter. Interestingly enough, the smaller LEGO Harry Potter sets have been some of the better performing LEGO investments I've gotten in that theme, which is kind of interesting. This LEGO Aragog Slayer set has done quite well. It's got 157 pieces. It's set number 75950. It's got 2 minifigures, and in general, this has been a great set to invest in. I got them for between $9 and $12, brought them at various price points, and they are now worth somewhere in the range of like $20 to $30, $25 or so, and then they've already done great as LEGO investment. And that can be a great way to invest in LEGO, is to start with some Harry Potter sets, as well as some LEGO Star Wars. I'd recommend primarily going with LEGO Star Wars, but Harry Potter can be a great line to invest in. They're a little bit more risky. I've had some more variation in how well sets have performed within Harry Potter than within the LEGO Star Wars sets, but in general, those two themes are usually pretty safe, reliable investments and good themes to invest in. Then we'll end up with this LEGO Speed Champion set. So this is the Ferrari F8 set, and this is just a really cool little Ferrari build. It's got the one minifigure there in the back, and this set has done quite well. It's growing up in value by a pretty consistent rate of about 15%, pretty good, and it is likely to continue to go up in value. I've held on to it for I believe 2 years now, so it's done quite well already. It's been a good set to have, but in general, I'm going to be sticking with those two themes, that being the LEGO Star Wars theme as well as the LEGO Harry Potter theme. I'm going to primarily be sticking with Star Wars, but I'm probably going to I may not buy some investments for the next little while, just because I'm not sure with storage how it'll work out, but in general, these are both two great themes to invest in, and can be a great way to start making a little bit extra money. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks, bye.